Okay, how to add arrows in Camtasia 2022. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so please follow along with me and watch this video till the very end because you don't want to miss any part of the video. So now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So let's head over to Camtasia, and here okay, import a video to media Bing. You can simply right click and you can tab on import media, or you can import from Google Drive, or you can tab on this plus and then go to import media. You can simply open a folder with the video, and here guys, as you can see, you can open your folder and just grab this video and drag it in the timeline. As you can see, that's another method. And now let me show you guys how you can add arrows in your videos. Okay, it's very simple. We just need to go to add annotations, and here in annotations we need to have annotations. Here we have callouts, but we also have arrows and lines. As you can see guys, here we have arrows. Look how many we have here. Okay, so the first one, you just need to grab it, the one that you want, just grab it and drag it right where you want. Get to the beginning, and here as you can see we have the arrow, and here in annotations we have a new something here. We have arrows and lines, and here look what you can do now. You can change the line style, you can change the color. Very useful. Okay, because I need the thickness like this. I want to point all right. Change the opacity, the thickness. If you hold Control Shift, you can change the like 3D motion. You can see here this, because that means that you change this video, you know, like it's a 3D rotation, I guess it's called. And now you can simply change the thickness, and we can add this video. We can use it to point at this. If you grab it from here, you can move the direction from behind as well. Very easy to work with. Change the thickness 100%. Now it's larger, and as you can see now, we added an arrow. And Camtasia, you can add even more than many different arrows. We have this one as well. We have like this one. Okay, we have this one, a very classic arrow. So that's how you add arrows in Camtasia. I hope this video provided you with value. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more. And this is How to Browse our YouTube channel, and see you guys in the next video. Take care.